Oh, this one's fun. This one's so much fun.
Yes, I'm the best, I'm banging on my chest. I'm a different individual than ever like the rest. I'm a man, just a man, I always have a plan. But I keep on going with this flow and try to understand who I am, but you don't know. You just try to listen close to my words that come and go. Still you don't know who I am. I'm a fool, I jumped right out of school. The degree wasn't free for me, I'm cool. Still I write every night to make things right. Making lyrical miracles happen, I can see the light now. I need you to believe that I'll set my music free. I'll show you what I can be. Then one day you'll understand. Original me, original me, original me. Keep energy, just doing the original me. Original me, original me. Keep energy, just doing the original me. I'm switching missions to different divisions, changing my living, my rhythm is making all the decisions. My words are wicked, I'm twisted, so take a seat and just listen to this sickness. Don't miss this, come get this. I've tried to take it slow, still I know what you don't know, and explain it still won't show the person that I know I am. My thoughts are crazy, yeah maybe, but I gotta leave to create me. My home and easy, just say me, it's not what I wanna make me. I'm gonna make this and take it, you know I'm still gonna make it to a new life that is too nice, I'm gonna do right. I wanna try to grow, so I'll let my feelings go. I'll risk what I've always known, so I can be who I am. Original me, original me, original me. Keep energy, just doing the original me. Original me, original me. Keep energy, just doing the original me.